Okay, shout out Khan Academy for creating the content that we're using in this video. Here we're shifting parabolas, so we got the parent function is x squared and we want to shift it up by 4 units. Up would be a vertical shift. Since we want to go up, it's positive 4. Now we can go ahead and create this parabola where x minus 0, h is 0, squared, and then where the k value is, we got a positive 4, so plus 4. Okay, here it gives us the parent function, gives us the equation that we're comparing, and we have to describe what it looks like. So parent function's already graphed. Let's go ahead and graph this one. And now we're just describing the transformation, so I'll make this one dashed. So what just happened to the dashed line? Well, it went up. Up is a vertical, would be a y value, so 5. It went up 5, and went to the left 3. We don't have to put negative 3, left means negative. Okay, now we got parent function already graphed, and we want to create a graph that goes down, and we want it to go down by 1, 2, 3 units. So we're going to vertical shift 3 and see what it looks like. That went up. Oh, I put positive 3. I want negative 3 down. Good. Now I can go ahead and type in the equation. So x minus, again, h is 0, squared, and minus 3 is the k value. Parabola is shifted up by 7 units and to the left by 1. So k is vertical shift. We want up by 7. Done. And to the left by 1. We're going to the left. We're going to the negatives, so it's going to be a negative 1. If I put a positive 1 in, it would have gone to the right, so I know, okay, I want to go to the left. Boom, now it's good. Create the equation. X. The h value is now a negative 1, so x minus negative 1. That's kind of confusing. Squared plus 7. Shout out the big homie Mike and Ike.